Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Right now we are going to see how to use SEO. So most probably if you go with the SEO audit reports with any apps, it might gonna charge you $25. The hour level of SEO, it give you per page a very in-depth SEO that even can help developers who have zero SEO skills to any freelancers a very in-depth SEO reports, and these SEO reports give you end-to-end A to Z, all on page technical SEO parts. So you don't need to worry about so many things. If you equivalent this SEO audit reports with others, it might gonna cost you $75 if you go with something else. Okay, so you can come over here, but with these pricing plans, and I forgot to tell you guys, this is the last tutorial videos about Leads and the AI apps. So if you have any requests that we need to generate about more tutorials regarding of anything about Leads and the AI apps and our future any roadmap app, when it will be live, we will make another tutorials. But until then, if you find any kind of issues with any portions of Leads and the AI apps, you can leave on this comment that we will focus and we will make tutorial on those parts that you are looking for. Okay, so if you go to the SEO, you can get all the SEO reports that you are looking for, and it might gonna, let's say you have big agency teams, you have a technical site. I'm also myself as a SEO expert with 5 years experience. I was successfully able to make a Canadian HVAC company 6-figure income without any AI cold callings, without any ad runnings, pure SEO organic traffic. And his business was recently ranking #1 in Canada, Montreal, and he's making 6 figures in on season and a little bit less in off season, but he's keep getting booked. So if you are looking for SEO apps, these SEO apps completely built under my instructions, and more instructions is adding continuously, is updating. So if you buy our apps, it's not gonna help us financially that much, but it will help us to enhance and get motivated to increase the features, more enhance these entire apps that can drop down your piles of works in a second. So obviously you can it's not going to replace your teams, it's not going to reduce or increase your costs, it's going to enhance your work. Okay, it's obviously going to reduce your cost, but it's going to enhance, it's really going to work. That's what we are focusing on. We're not like, if you go over here, you can see it's a branded, it's not have like weird AI generated apps templates, like this one look different color, this one look another colors. It's completely, so I'm saying so many things beside the SEO because this is the last tutorials. So if you have anything need to know about leading the AI apps, you can leave comment on these videos, and we will make tutorial for each question that you have regarding of, and if we never made these tutorials before. Okay, so let's get started. Let's generate the SEO reports, and it's gonna generate about our websites. Okay, it will give you in-depth SEO reports that you might gonna see somewhere else, not like this. With this price, it's impossible for you. It's gonna save you $7,000, $8,000 a lot. Okay, so what happens if you go to the freelancing websites? If you're a freelancer, you can also use these features. It's great for freelancers, work from home, entrepreneur side hustles, just startup businesses who have no idea where to start, because these enter all apps, each and every single features made by 5 or 10 years experience professionals. Okay, so they know what you need to get the results. So if you're a freelancer, you have You have no idea, you just want to be a freelancer, you just open a gigs on Fiverr. Like, I'm gonna give you SEO audit reports that equivalent to at least $75, which means it's a high-end SEO audits, because the lowest cost, average cost, is $25 to $35 if you go to the markets. Why? Because I'm working in this industry like 5 years, and I know the entire market, how much they cost. And I'm just by seeing your website, I can tell. I don't need any tools, okay? And every not only me, any expert, SEO expert who have 5 years or 6 years experience, who really was able to help his client making money. I mean, they can just tell you what your website is missing. And we previously posted some videos on the YouTube that our Leads and the AI app is ranking right now. Previously it wasn't ranking, and now it's also ranking AIO, and AEO. It's ranking on, if you search AI, will also suggest our apps. So that's really crazy. It wasn't ranking for the first time, so right now it's ranking. So what is AEO? Is artificial engine optimizations, and right now we're going ahead with this. So at this moment, I'm going to generate the SEO reports. Sorry for saying so much. Let's get to the actions. Okay, so it's going to generate about the meta parts of your website, so you know what meta parts are you have. And most magnificent part of our SEO reports is, it's not gonna give you the what problem you made or what mess you made and what you need to fix. It's also gonna give you the suggest you need to use this instead of that. So that's gonna work. And it's gonna give you also content suggest, like instead of using these headings, use these headings. It's gonna work. So that's how it will make your things and life easy. It will also reduce the hard work of content generator, web content generators, and other parts. Like if you go to the copy paste option, you can also copy this and paste on there. No follow, no index in missing any parts. So whether you have any drag and drop apps, SaaS apps, you can implement all these things. Okay, there's no obligation. Like if you're using Go High Levels, you're using Group CM, Scale GG, System.io, any kind of apps, you can use this SEO optimizations on any builders. Okay, they provide those features. Okay, and in futures we are gonna make it autonomous. Our apps will build a website for you, and also SEO and all this stuff that will not let you do so many things. You might gonna need to go to builders, and after finish the website you just change text, all the stuff. That's kind of features that are already available in the market that I use tons of, but none of them are highly wided SEO based optimized, because you need at least a good amount of experience to build such as apps like this. So I'm going to continue with the analysis because I'm done with the meta. So now it's going to analyze my structures on on-page SEO, and this way it's going to keep going, and more deeply reports is going to give you, and it's a really amazing, and it's a professional. Okay, so have a great day and stay safe.